So first things first, going to address the very sad matter this week. Rich Piana, bodybuilding legend, sadly lost his life. I was very sad to hear the news. I'm sure the whole bodybuilding industry, fitness industry were very sad. I was actually lucky enough to meet Rich Piana. This was at Body Power Expo in Birmingham. He gave me loads of his time. Actually Q-jumped accidentally, didn't realise I'd done it. But he gave me loads of his time, chatted to me, really nice bloke. So really want to say, obviously all best wishes go to his family, and very, very sad news.
I was looking into darkness, something to hold on.
So, Mayweather, McGregor tonight. I'm going to show you exactly how it's about to go down. Me and Ollie are going to demonstrate the exact outcome. So it's kind of hard to demonstrate. I was trying to knock him out, but he was too strong. Basically, the outcome's going to be McGregor, as much as I want him to win, he's going to do what my camera just did. He's unfortunately not going to get the win. Mayweather is too good at boxing, unfortunately. It's about 4:15 now, and I've just woken up early to watch the boxing around a friend's house. He's not up yet, but we're almost there. So midweek, we're now dropping Ollie off to my mum's. It's a bit of a cold day today. Look, just got in, everything's steamed up a little bit. And there's little Ollie. Who have you got? Poppy? Yeah. Ollie, are we now going to go see Nanny? Yeah, there's Nanny Beach.
Ollie.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So, tomorrow is mine and Amy's 3rd year wedding anniversary. And what I need to do right now is, well, I've only just found out that she is working tomorrow, so not good for me because I've ordered flowers to come to the house. So what I need to do is phone them up and rebook them for to turn up at her work, which would be a nice little treat. So there we go. Yeah, what it is I've ordered some flowers to be delivered online. And what it is my wife, she is not going to be at our address to receive them. So I was wondering if I could change the delivery address to her work. So we're now picking Ollie up from my mum's. Let's see how excited he is to see his daddy.
Who is he? Who is he? Who is that?
Yeah! Kisses. Mwah. So, it's midnight on Monday. I'm home alone, apart from the fact that I have little Ollie here. Don't know if you can see him on that. Sound asleep, bless him. But I'm at home. And guess what I'm about to watch? The finale. Da, 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 da. So today is the day of our anniversary, 23rd of August. It's been 3 years since me and Ames got married. Now the sad thing is Amy has to work today, so it fell wrong. Yeah, it's an apple, you clever boy. It fell wrong, but the good thing is it's given me some time because I'm going to cook her a nice romantic meal. Now I've been on Gordon Ramsay's website and I've got 3-course meal, beautiful. So what we're going to have is lamb kofta. Well, actually just minted lamb skewers actually is what it is to start. Then for main we're going to have fillet steak with perfectly hand cooked sweet potato chips. And then lastly, for dessert, I'm going to be making this kind of banoffee thing. All from scratch, everything's from scratch. It's going to be beautiful. And Ollie wants something, so I'm going to have to go and start cooking. Cooking with a little baby running about. I've got all our washings on the table. I've got to tidy all that up, get the table set. It's going to be fun. I'm out of breath already. Hello.
How sweet is this? Oh, look at that, cat. You're so cute.
So, romantic meal for two. Cheers, Amesy.
Cheers.
Happy
anniversary.
3 years. So this week, if you're following me on social media, you will have seen I posted this little video. Now I'm going to play it whilst I chat. But basically, I'm giving away, no catches, a completely free diet and exercise program for all you mums out there. So if you're a mum and you're, you know, coming off the back of this 6-week school holidays, obviously been a little bit stressed, this plan is perfect for you. It's designed around fat loss, and there's no catch. You literally, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Click the link, put your email in, and the plan will automatically, straight away, no questions, be sent to your email. And that's it. There's no paying monthly, weekly, nothing. It's just a little gift to say, you know, well done for being a good mum. But yeah, so make sure you're getting that. It's a great plan, and it should see you some fantastic fat loss results.